Alright, what is up guys? I am back here with another video. And sorry guys for not making a video yesterday, but I was busy. But I'm making another video today. I was about not to make one, but I made time, so yeah. And today I'm going to be doing some multiplayer team deathmatch, but I'm going to be like doing shotgun gunplay. So here we go. My favorite map on this game is probably Biolab, or where is it? Instinct. This is probably one of my favorites too. And yeah. My favorite shotgun, I forgot what it's called. Well, it should say, but yeah, my favorite
Team deathmatch.
That's loud. Well, my favorite shotgun is the TAC 19, and yeah. Oh shoot, I need to turn my. See, yesterday I was playing it, and I was like trying to do trick shots, and I was trying to do like a 360 no scope with a shotgun, and yeah, I mean, I landed a couple, but it was very difficult, I have to be honest. How that hurt. Very bad. The relay on this game. Well, not really. I don't know what I'm saying. I mean, like, how long it takes to, like, fire again. Like, fire. Oh, that was good. Okay, that was weird. I'm probably gonna do some Call of Duty Ghost 2, and I'm thinking about doing some campaign. Probably campaign on this game, which is Advanced Warfare, or okay, the three games probably will be Advanced Warfare, or Black Ops 2, and Ghost. What the heck? One thing that I like about this is like oh shoot. But the thing is that I don't like about it, it's like when your turn's getting shot, like it makes you feel like you're getting shot and it vibrates your controller. And oh god. Ow. Ow. Oh my gosh. This is still my favorite shotgun, but that's one of my negative things about this shotgun. I was thinking about doing some Black Ops 2 gameplay again, but I kind of noticed that I was doing a lot. It's supposed to be sliding there, but okay. Yeet. Skeet shooter, maybe? Yep. you'd think like a 360 shotgun, like a 360 no scope shotgun would be fairly easy, but well, I mean, if you're an expert at it, yeah, it's like not hard, but like for a beginner, it's stupid hard. Oh, hit marker. How many deaths do I have? One. Oh, let's go. That's my teammate. Oh, get wrecked. Dude, I love doing slide kills. Like, they're like my favorite. Oh, wow. That's sad. See, okay, so... No, I don't want it. But, okay, so there's 5 minutes and my video's already at like 7 minutes, so I'm probably gonna get a kill and end it. Because I don't like my videos being long. And yep. But I don't know what type of gun I should get. I need to be cool. Oh my gosh. I mean, my limit on YouTube, like for how long the videos are supposed to be, is like 7 to 9 minutes. You know what? That was good enough.
Nice work, Sentinel.
If it's not me, I swear. Okay, thank you. That like triple kill though. With that spike drone thing that I just used, if you get a headshot with it, oh my gosh, dude, it looks so dope. Like, dude, it looks nasty to be honest, but that's all for today. And I know I said I'm gonna dive down on it, but if you're new, subscribe and like the video, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.